With this problem, we're going to do a conversion going between systems, whether it be from the English or the empirical system to the metric system. And it works the same way whether you go one way or the other. And we have this example problem right here. And that problem is asking us to convert 2.5 gallons into liters. Here's just a sampling of a bunch of different conversion factors that could help us, or some probably won't help us. So let's take a look at if we can see anything that takes gallons directly to liters. So I've got feet to miles, feet to inches, pounds to grams. Let's see, oh, looks like we're in luck. We've got liters to gallons here. So I'm going to start off by writing what this problem gives me, and I'm going to set up my crossbar, and I'm going to take my 1 liter and my 0.264 gallons and set that up so that gallons are going to cancel. So we want gallons to be gone, so gallons have to go down here in the denominator, and we have 0.264 gallons in 1 liter. And to solve this problem, what we would do is just multiply everything across the top. Well, 2.5 times 1 gives us 2.5. And then we would divide by 0.264. So in your calculator, if we do 2.5 divided by 0.264, this should give us approximately 9.47 liters. That answer makes sense because a gallon is approximately 4 liters. So if we have 2.5 times 4 is going to give us just under 7, or just under 10 liters. So that's how we would do a problem like that. Now, if we had to convert again, say from something like in the English system to a metric system where we can't do it in one step. So for instance, if we wanted to convert millimeters to miles, for instance, let's make up a new problem. Say we have got 10,000 millimeters, and we want to convert this to miles. Well, if you look up here, we've got feet to miles, feet to inches, inches to centimeters. So we can kind of build a strategy to get us to where we need to go. So I can't change millimeters in any of the things that we have up here, but I can change millimeters to centimeters. And then once we get into centimeters, we can change inches to feet, and then feet into miles. Well, I know a millimeter is 10 times smaller than a centimeter. So we would need 10 millimeters to equal 1 centimeter. And since I've got millimeters on the top and the bottom, they're going to cancel out. Now I'm into centimeters, and I need centimeters to go away. So I use this equation up here. I want to have 2.54 centimeters under 1 inch, and the same reason we set it up that way is so that those units are canceled. And now we want inches to go into feet, so we know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. And then lastly, we know that there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Now to solve this problem, you can multiply everything across the top. In this case, we've got 10,000 times 1 times 1 times 1. So this would give us 10,000 over. We're going to multiply everything across the bottom. So 10 times 2.54 times 12 times 5,280. And this should give us 1,609,000. Let me erase this. I got a little sloppy there looking down at my calculator. So 609,344. And then my units, when I'm done, are going to be miles. So in my calculator, I'm going to take 10,000 divided by 1609344, and that should give me approximately 0.0062 miles. So that's how we convert between systems.